So we are going to add the same container over there. So let's copy this and put it over here in the content page. Okay, inside this body, let's add the column children. Inside that, let's paste this. We got this. So next we have to change the color, right? So for that, let's add a decoration gradient, linear gradient, and inside that let's add the list of colors, colors dot red, colors dot, sorry, capital C, colors dot what color we have used here, pink, right? We got the round shape, so let's take this border radius. Let's take this border radius. Okay, now let's add the let's add the border radius to very less 10. Okay, now the edges become smooth. So now we have to get the page width. So let's declare a variable w equal to media query dot of context dot size dot width. Okay, so since we don't get the context, we have to paste it inside the build function. We get the width. Let's add the width to this width comma w. So let's save this. Let's see what's happening. Let's remove this width. Okay, or we can even add a double dot infinity to make it full width. Okay, there won't be any difference. So now let's add the scroll view here. So wrap with widget and single child scroll view. Let's save this and let's add some padding to showing context. Wrap with widget padding, and here we have to add the edge inserts dot alt. Let's add the value 20